Try and solve this SAT math problem and let me know in the comments below what the answer is. Let's go. So the equation above gives the graph of a circle in the xy plane. The circle is inscribed in a square. What's the area of the square? So in order to do that, we have to first find the radius of the circle. Okay, and the way we can do this is by completing the square. And what that means is we are going to get a term to completely make a perfect square trinomial of the x terms and the y terms. But before that, let's notice that there is a 3 common in all of these terms. So let's go ahead and bring the 3 outside of parentheses and then go ahead and divide the 3 off. Okay, so the 3 gets cancelled off, so it makes it simpler for us to complete our square. So now we have the first two terms. What we need to find is this b is this the coefficient of the x. So b by 2, b divided by 2 whole squared. We need to add and subtract that. So in this case, it's 6 divided by 2, which is 3 squared is 9. So we have to add 9 and subtract 9. In the same way here, b by 2 whole squared is negative 2 by 2 whole squared, which is 1. So we got to add a 1 and subtract a 1. Okay, so that's what we did here. We added 9, subtracted 9. We added 1 and subtracted 1. And then there is a negative 5 to begin with. Okay. All right. So remember, it's extremely important to add and subtract. We just cannot add and forget to subtract, and we'll get a wrong answer. Okay. So the first 3 terms, we are now a perfect square trinomial. So we can just go ahead and rewrite those as x plus 3 whole squared. This is a plus b whole squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared formula. Same with the y's, y minus 1 whole squared. And then we have the negative 9, negative 1 and negative 5. So I brought them all together, and then you can take them, either combine the like terms here or bring them all to the other side. So we have 15 on the other side. Now let's compare that to the circle formula, which is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So this 15 is r squared, the radius squared. Okay, so the radius then is going to be square root on both sides, is square root of 15. So now the next step is we're going to try to find the area of the square. So let's see what's happening here. There's a square and the circle is inscribed within the square. So if you look at this, the side of the square is 2 times the radius of the circle or the diameter of the circle. Okay, so the radius is we found to be square root of 15. So 2 times the radius or the diameter of the circle is 2 square root of 15. That is the side of each square. Now the area of a square is s squared, the side squared. So now we have 2 square root of 15 whole squared, which is equal to 4 times 15, or 60 is the area of the square. And that is the final answer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.